You are listening to our 1-hour broadcast in English for listeners in Western Europe on 6015 and 7220 kHz, and in Japan on 5915 and 7300 kHz. We can also be heard on the internet in WMA, MP3 and AAC Plus formats at www.rri.radio channel 1, and in Europe also via satellite Hotbird 6 on 1163 MHz, vertical polarization, azimuth 13 degrees east. We wish you good reception conditions.
And welcome to yet another program on Radio Romania International, broadcasting from Bucharest. I am your host, Diana Bujou. In Radio Newsreel today, after the news bulletin, I invite you to listen to the weekend review. But first, here is the news. The headlines.